Thanks for joining me today. We're checking out the birds in the backyard. We got a blue jay there on the ground underneath the evergreen shrub. And we got a couple pigeons, or doves, excuse me, working on seed on the ground. Don't see the little sparrows. I don't know where they, I guess big birds chased them off. Or they got something else to do. Sit here and watch them a few minutes. Oh, there we go. Look at a nice little bird on the bird feeder. He's a pretty guy. He got a nice orange on him. Looking right at me. And his little friend came over, which is a yellow one. Got a lot of yellow on him. Those are really colorful. Oh, yeah, and here's a little black and white one. We got the full range of colors this morning. Yeah. They all went up in a tree here. Can't seem to quite see them now. Go back to the doves. Oh, there's a couple little guys. Yeah, they don't like that blue jay. They were hiding out from the blue jay until he left. If you enjoy these backyard bird videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in today and enjoying the birds with me.